Hello admin team and the teachers. In this video we will see how the student get sync without using fix my issue, and it would be very quick and easy way to sync the students data. Well, to demonstrate that things, we're gonna use test class 1 and test class 2. Here in test class 2, if you see, there are 5 students, where in a test class 1 there are no students, 0 students. Okay, now in my right hand side, this is a teachers logged in for the test class 1 and test class 2. So if I go to the subject and syllabus, I'm in a part of test class 2, and I also see the test class 1. And similar way, when I go to the students, I can see the test class 1 has 0 students and test class 2 has 5 students. So let's start with the test class 2, and out of this 5, let me move test 1 student into this test class 1. So I just clicked here on the 4 square, okay, and I just said test class 1, okay, remove, and just clicked on save change. Okay, so done. It's a done using browser. It means in server the data is updated. Now this is a mobile application, okay, this is a native application, okay, so this is not a browser based. So in order to update anything, either use this, this will sync automatically if you do not do anything. Okay, it's a periodical sync, maybe within a few hours it sync automatically in background, okay, and it will sync the data. But let's say you just come to know that the data is updated and you just sync the data. Either you just clicked on this sync icon or just go to the student and you here see 0 and 1 and just clicked on sync, and that's it. All the data, all the classes, all the student data updated will be synced here. If you see here, now there is a 1, there is a 4. If I clicked here, I can see 1 student. When I clicked here, I can see these are the 4 students. Okay, let me search here. Now it's a 4 student. Okay, now let's move test 5, okay, into the the first class. Oh, sorry, let me go back. School students, okay, let me select test class 2, okay, and that student test 5. Let me click on 4 square and I'll select test 1 here, okay, and then I'll need to remove the test 2 and just clicked on save. Okay, so now this student is moved from 2 to 1. So this is a test 2 and should be moved from to 1. So I just clicked on sync here and done. Can you see the student has been removed from here? Okay, and if I go here, okay, and if you see this dashboard, I just sync and it's updated. It's here too. Okay, now let's look at the third way. Okay, so let's say I want to move this student 6. Okay, so clicked on 4 square and I'll move to the test class 1, remove this one, just save change. Okay, and let me click here on the sync button. Okay, and let me see whether it's updated or not. If I go to student, so here finally in test class 2 there will be only 2 students. Okay, so can you see it? 2 students, and test class 1 3 students. If I select test class 1, okay, and just a search, 3 students and 2 students. That's it. It's worked very well. Okay, well, so now no need to use this fix issue again and again. Either just clicked on this sync button, okay, or go to the student and clicked on this sync button. It will sync all the student changes automatically. But even you do not use the sync button, the system keep on syncing the data on particular intervals, okay, in few hours. It's not in a days, it's a few hours. It's synced multiple times during the days, okay, and we believe that every single hours or every single minute there are no much students data, because at the start of the year, at the start of semester, or at the start of initial school days, there are so many changes, and that's always there. Okay, so whenever you come to know that you're expecting a new data, just click on this sync, or maybe go to students and sync. This will definitely work for you. and there are so many misconceptions regarding, I need to use, fixed issue again and again. So this is what I demonstrate you. Even apart from that, in case if something is not getting sync, something is problematic, please share the video with us. Many time this could be a permission related things. Okay, in the next video I'm gonna show you how these permissions and boundaries and everything is works, so that will also clear the doubt for all the admin staffs and the teachers as well. However, if there are any issues, feel free to report us. We would be happy to fix any issue immediately within a day. That is our promise. If there are any issues, feel free to share with us. Thank you.